Network Entertainment.
Welcome to Lecheng Pag-ibig To.
New episode every Wednesday. Welcome to LPT. Sabi nga ni Papi Jeff dito, siya nagsuggest nito Lecheng Pilipinas to.
Hoy! We love the Philippines. We
Of
love the country. We
course.
don't love what is happening to the country.
May dala-dala po tayong dyaryo dito ngayon kasi meron tayong mga updates sa inyo sa ilang mga pangyayari this week. Well, as we are recording this, today is September 10.
Okay.
So ito yung dalawang magkasunod na araw na may mga matitinding pasabog na may kinalaman sa flood control project.
Can I just say na iba yung giggle ni Chacha sa topic na to, na even yung Viber namin, yung pinag-uusapan, teka, nagwawala si Chacha. And ako mismo, if people are asking why we're so adamant about this topic, bakit parang yung giggle natin, diba? It's because we pay our taxes.
Yeah.
And when you see that what you work for, what you spend sleepless nights for, pinagpapawisan mo,
Pinaghihirapan.
kung saan na napupunta, feeling mo ginagago ka.
Ginagago talaga tayo.
And that's...
Hindi feeling, papi.
Kaya may galit eh. Kaya may galit yung episodes natin pag ito yung topic. Kasi ramdam natin yung ginago ka. And it's not a good feeling. Things are happening in Cambodia.
Yeah.
No, the protests in
Nepal.
Nepal, sorry.
Nepal.
So,
May kinalaman din sa Nepo babies yun
correct.
Oo.
Just a few minutes ago, si Korea nag-hold na ng pagpapahiram ng funds sa Philippines. 28 billion because of the corruption that's happening. I posted also something that went like, sana magka-tax tax hold muna. No?
Well, everything's hindi pa sure kung sino bang may sala.
Correct. We're paying the government. Figure your shit out muna. Kasi kolekta kayo ng kolekta sa amin. Tapos hindi namin alam ano nangyayari. Hindi nyo alam kung ano nangyayari.
Yeah.
Diba?
Di alam kung sinong mananagot.
Correct. Kumbaga, may management team tayo na binabayaran natin. Ayusin nyo muna mga sarili nyo. Kaysa singil kayo ng singil, bayad kami ng bayad, puro kapalpa ka naman.
Naku, naalala mo na naman. Magbabayad na naman tayo. Malapit na ngayong buwan. Malapit na. Anyway, ano ba mga nangyari? Well, for sure, kung medyo, hindi na nga daw Netflix tsaka Prime Video ang in ngayon.
Ay, oo. Nakita ko yung post mo.
Oo, ginagawang movie date yung mga Senate hearing, papi.
Ganda yung viewing party.
May viewing party na ngayon. Tsaka, di ba parang yung mga laban ni Pacquiao, naalala nyo noon? Pagka daw yung mga Senate hearing ngayon, tumitigil na rin yung mundo. Lahat tutok. O yung ibang mga nasa trabaho, shout out sa mga nasa trabaho, pinagsasabayan trabaho, nagmumultitask habang nanonood ng hearing. Sino yan?
Kasi naman yung revelations.
Ano yung mga hindi mo malilimutang eksena dito sa 2 araw na pagtutok mo?
The book of revelations are out.
Anong mas matinding revelation? Yung ginawa ng Diskaya o yung ginawa ng Bryce Hernandez? Kasi yung Diskaya, puro congressmen yung listahan. Tapos hindi talaga matigil yung mga Pinoy sa paggawa ng memes. My gosh, merong mga graduation.
Ay, oo.
Right?
Most number of steals in a game.
Sobrang daming memes. So, yung nilabas ng Diskaya, congressman, si Bryce, senators yung involved. Anong mas pasabog sa'yo?
I guess siguro yung pareho eh.
Pareho.
Same level eh.
Oo.
I think everybody's ganyan naman eh. Pag as a human being, once na yung freedom mo would be on the line or you're pushed against the corner, your back's against the wall, dun ka lang magsa-start umamin. In the case of the Diskayas, they started dropping names kasi talagang kahit bahay nila, yung building nila, pinagbabato na ng mga tao.
Sinusugod na.
And I don't blame people for that.
Oo.
Now, you have, ngayon naman, dinitain si Hernandez, diba? So, ano na siya? Your freedom is at stake. Si mga Diskaya, hindi na makalabas ng bahay. May death threats na. Same with the Hernandez guy. You're already at a point na wala, ikinulong ka na rin ng Senate eh. So, saan ka pa pupunta? It's a matter of, sad to say, strategy na rin na, okay, for me to have my freedom, eto lang siguro yung gagawin kong, ito yung direction na gagawin ko. Lalaglag na ako ng pangalan. Anong mas mabigat na laglag? Sa akin, same.
Laglagan na kasi talaga.
I think
Tapos
more
hindi
names.
na natin alam ngayon kung sino ba nagsasabi sa inyo ng totoo. Hirap magtiwala. Sabi nga ni Mayor Vico, maging kayo mapagmatsyag. Hindi porke sinabi na yun agad yun totoo. Well, I think dapat
and before we get further into this, sorry to cut you off, Bulacan pa lang to.
Yeah, daming probinsya.
Bulacan pa lang
I
to.
know, the notorious Bulacan. Welcome to, well, my place now. Ang lugar na ang tawag ay Lubacan. Kasi alam mo, papi, kung di kayo nagagawi sa Bulacan, sa Bulacan, yan yung lugar kung saan every 5 kilometers yata or sometimes 3, merong ginagawang kalsada. And then
Ever
last time,
since.
siguro mga a month ago or 3 weeks ago, bago kami nagbaler, nagbike kami sa, well, doon naman ako madalas nagbabike sa Bulacan area kasi I'm from there. So, meron ako naikot na, hindi ko na sasabihin kung saan area kasi alam naman yan ng mga taga Bulacan. Merong isang area dyan, shoot, buong barangay yata, merong ginagawa yung buong kalsada. So, parang nasa utak ko, kawawa naman yung mga tao dito. Saan sila dumadaan? Kung may mga kotse sila, paano nila pinapark yun? Kasi like, buong barangay, merong isang stretch ng kalsada, ang haba, like 10 kilometers, ginagawa.
And I can just imagine how much money that is. Pero yun nga yung point ko. Bulacan pa lang ang na-expose.
I know.
What if we talk about
Oriental Mindoro, bagong expose.
correct.
Meron din daw.
Pampanga, we have Laguna, Luzon pa lang, Cebu, Davao. Ang laki ng Pilipinas. Are more names gonna be dragged into this? Are more congressmen gonna be dragged into the issue?
Parang every single day na nagigising tayo, nag-iintay tayo ng pasabog kung sinong bagong pangalan yung mai-involve. But how are we gonna take this? Yun nga yung natanong ko dun sa isang political analyst na kausap namin. Paano ba every time may mga masasangkot sa issue na to, paano ba tatanggapin ng tao to? Kasi ngayon, initially, ang reaction ng lahat, pag may nasangkot, ito, nagagalit agad, nababash agad yung tao and all that. And we can't blame the people for feeling that way kasi sobrang fed up na nga dun sa kaliwat kanang issue na to. And I'm sure, Papi, bago pa lumabas tong issue na to, alam mo na may mga ganitong nangyayari.
Correct. Hindi mo na alam
like
gaano
ako,
ka-wild.
I know I have heard stories like this. Basta patotohanan lang ngayon.
Because now there are amounts, so we know na kahit nga yung millions, parang cheap na lang.
Cheap na lang. Billion tong pinag-uusapan.
And these are amounts of money that you would probably never experience in your lifetime.
Exactly. Anong naramdaman mo nung nakita mo yung pera na mga nakapatong sa table? And then yung meron pang isang shot na may mga partitions na. Kumbaga nakaparte-parte na. Kung kanino daw iaabot. Something like that.
May lumusot pa nga 500 bills diba?
Yes.
Sabi po 1,000, may isang stock na 500. Sino kaya nakakuha ng 500? Diba?
Ano na feel mo when you saw that
like,
post? Yung kayo mismo, mga nakikinig na everyday naghihirap para magtrabaho, ano naramdaman nyo?
Ako putya, talagang ginagago tayo ng harap-harapan.
Nakakabadrip,
ng
no?
solid.
Nanlumo ako. Lalo pa nung nakikinig ako ng Senate hearing, yung Sally yata, connected to Sims Construction, kinukwento niya na sometimes nagde-deliver ng parang 245 million pesos na nakalagay sa loob ng box ng noodles or piatos, may ganon. Tapos, napamura ako while driving mag-isa ako
Kaya ako pag
ganon.
Diba, box ng piatos? My God!
Kailan na magde-deliver?
Ng box ng piatos sa akin? Pero nakakadiri. Nakakainis na nakakadiri. How much money do they actually need? And how, alam mo, you know how lahat ng kotse ng mga Diskaya, you can compile all of those, buy all of those, wala pong 1 billion yun.
Walang 1 billion lahat yun?
May sukli ka pa.
Okay. And speaking of that, cars.
1 pa lang. 1 billion. And what are we talking about? They're making 10 billion, 20 billion.
Hindi na nga ganun ang sinasabi nila ngayon.
Kaya
nagagalit si Mayor Vico na parang sinasabi niya, talaga ba 2 to 3% lang kinikita nyo?
Doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
The math is not mathing.
Exactly. Sa mga nabili nyo at napakita nyo, di ba?
And lahat yung mabibili mo sa 1 billion pa lang ha. Imagine times 10.
Na-compute mo na ha.
Oo.
Speaking of that, cars, ang latest is kung 31 yung mga kotse na na under custody of BOC ngayon, ang sinasabi, 8 doon, walang documents. Probably smuggled, di natin sure kung ano. But, na-register sa LTO, may ORCR, may plaka. My God, Papi, ilan na yun ang bumabiyahe na ganon? Na-smuggled pala.
Yan, hindi na ako nagugulat.
Di na bago for you.
Kasi sa akin, if you have that amount of money, ganong kalaki yung pera mo,
Lahat pwede.
kaya mo na bilhin lahat.
Saka dito sa Pilipinas, so pag may pera ka talaga, lahat kaya mo lusutan.
Exactly. Yun yung nasa utak ko. I'm not surprised anymore na may plaka sila kahit walang documents or whatever. These guys have licenses different from their names.
Yeah.
Hindi na ako nagwat kasi at that magnitude, I mean, ganun kalaki yung pera mo, you can already move mountains. Nasa ganong, medyo may godly powers ka na, so to speak.
Ako nasa utak ko ngayon, what were they thinking? Hindi sila mahuhuli?
I guess, okay.
Ang lakas ng loob,
Ganito.
papi eh.
I think it became routine for them na it's just another day, another normal day. So, yung confidence nila, medyo malakas. And not just that, not just because sanay na tayo dito, never naman tayo nahuli. It's been happening for years. We're being backed by some big people.
Exactly. Ang padrino ay malakas.
And you know that
Or, pwede rin, papi, na yung mga history natin before, na mga nasasangkot sa ganitong issue, nakita nila na wala namang big fish na napapanagot eh.
and the big fish, they're the ones making the laws. Sila ang lawmakers eh. May gagalaw ba dyan? We're gonna find out in the next few days. I'm happy that whether they are true or not, that people are being exposed.
Yeah.
At the very least, there are names that are coming out. Actually, sa akin nga,
But we have to be critical kung lahat ba talaga yon
Correct.
kasama. Oo.
So, the next days are gonna be pretty interesting, I think. Especially ngayon na may mga nagsasalita na, pero yun nga, wala rin naman magsasalita hanggang mapilitan magsalita.
Yeah.
If your freedom is on the line, or your life is on the line, you're getting the death threats and all that stuff, I think you will talk. Kesa mapatay ka, makulong ka, magsasalita ka na.
Speaking of salita, marami pa rin apolitical hanggang sa ngayon. Pero now that this is happening, ito na ba yung tamang panahon for everyone to speak up?
If you're paying your taxes, you're paying the government, yes, you have all the right.
Yeah.
You have
To question.
all the right
Yeah.
to question, to talk, to say what you want to say. Some people are waiting for the right time for actual, kasi tama naman, allegations pa lang naman to eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Nothing is confirmed.
Hearsays pa lang ito.
But we all know that there is a syndicate, that there's some scamming happening, and they are using our money to scam, to make this happen.
Yeah.
Ang mas malala pa dito, swerte pa tayo, I think we're privileged to, be on the, a bit on the healthier side of things. But may mga tao na mamatay sa baha. May mga taong pagka-uwi nila, wala na silang mauwian, wala na silang kama, wala na silang appliances, wala na silang buhay pagka-uwi nila. Nangyayari yan. There are also, tawag dito, people who have houses who are far from Bulacan perhaps, pero dahil sa baha, ilang oras ang biyahe para makauwi.
Yeah.
Para makita yung pamilya mo, para makarating sa office, para umuwi, makapagpahinga. 3 hours ka nakastuck sa traffic. Bakit? Nagbabaha. And in my opinion, I'm gonna say this again. I've said this before. The Philippines, we are not a poor country. We actually have a lot of funds.
Dami nating pera.
It's just being put in the wrong hands, or the money's going somewhere else. Pero imagine all that money used properly for proper flood control, for proper highways, proper roads. Can you imagine gaano kaganda yung Pilipinas ngayon?
Exactly.
Can you imagine?
Ang layo na siguro natin. Ay ngayon, naungusan pa tayo ng Vietnam eh.
Diba?
Oh.
Let's talk about 15 years of having proper money allocated to the proper places. Can you imagine ano yung itsura ng Pilipinas ngayon?
I think it will start with us choosing the right leaders. Kasi I was reading comments kanina nung iba. And eto na yung mga expose, eto na yung mga pasabog, nilantad na lahat ni Senator Ping, lahat ng kung paano na-doktor, all the documents and all that. Pero when I was reading comments, may mga nakikita pa rin ako na, grabe sumamba sa mga politiko.
Siyempre.
Parang, for me lang, now that this is happening, alisin na natin yung parang pagka-fanatic natin on some politicians. Kasi tayo yung ano dito parang tayo na yung ginagago. Nag-aaway-away pa rin yung mga Pilipino. Alam mo yung, pati ba naman sa korupsyon, di tayo magkasundo lahat kung sino dapat ang kaaway natin? Pati dito, talagang di tayo nagkakaisa. Parang, ginagago tayo lahat, pero tayo yung nag-aaway-away. Tayo yung parang nagbabangayan.
In other countries, there's an honor system. If your name is dragged into something like this,
Japan, for example.
kahit na drag lang, 'di ba? Allegation pa lang. Step down ka muna.
Yeah.
Until your name is cleared.
Yeah.
Do you think that will be effective if
I don't
we
think
do
it's
that?
gonna happen here in the Philippines
Ako
kasi
rin.
ang dami na nating nakita mga politicians na nalilink
Nakulong
yung
na
mga
nga, nakulong na nga,
name,
nakabalik pa eh.
na nalilink yung mga names sa mga kung ano-anong issues. Pero wala naman. Kailan may huling nag-resign? Yung nangyayari sa Nepal ngayon, meron mga namatay, and then after that incident, yung malaking protest ng mga Gen Zs
Yes.
doon. If you guys don't know what's happening there, may mga Nepo babies involved in yung social media freedom ng mga taga-Nepal. Nag-step down yung prime minister nila because of what has happened.
Siyempre out of, kahihiyan na rin yun
Kasi
eh.
parang ikaw, prime minister ka, may mga namatay na, nanghihingi ng accountability yung tao. Siya na mismo nag-step down. Dito, I mean, may
Do
mangyayari
you
bang
think it's ever
ganon?
gonna happen? Like, do you think
I don't
a
think it's gonna
congressman or a
happen.
senator will ever step down?
Parang meron silang 11th rule or 11th commandment. Wala nga amin.
Oo eh.
Gano'ng magkagit-gitan, wala nga amin. So kung ganun sila, anong gagawin natin?
Out of all the names that were brought up in the past few days, did anyone of them admit to anything? I'm not saying lahat yan guilty.
Oh, yun yung
like you
sinasabi
said
natin
kanina,
Parang feeling ko lang, kung merong mga nasasangkot sa issue, I think it's proper lang na ngayon na may investigation na either resign or alis ka muna with
That's
what
what
you're
I'm saying.
doing.
Oo.
Yun, leave ka muna, leave
Correct.
of absence ba yung
Correct.
tawag dyan or whatever.
until my name is cleared.
Yes. Ikaw na mismo. Tapos, labas mo agad yung documents.
Yun.
Kung meron mang project list na pinagawa mo or ginawa ka, labas mo agad para makita ng taong bayan na ito lang yung project, di talaga ako kasama dyan sa Bulacan area.
Dinadamay
Gets?
lang pangalan ko.
Oo.
Ganun naman kasimple yun eh. 'Di ba? Honor system, I think you'd even be respected. Sa akin, I'd even respect a person like that. Okay, let me step down. I'm not gonna take you as guilty. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna present the documents. Ito yung nangyari. Ito yung mga documents to prove that I'm innocent. And, 'di ba? And once that's seen, okay, good. Balik. Let me do
Pero
my job again.
paano nga yun? Malabo ngang mangyari yun.
Nasaan
Kasi
na ba
minsan
tayo?
kasi parang
what is next for the Philippines at this point?
Ako nalulungkot ako with everything that's happening.
Nakaka-depress, no?
Parang, it's
Gising mo pa
depressing.
lang,
It's quite depressing kasi pagising mo, lalo pa ako, everyday yung work ko, tas ang aga-aga ko gumigising. And then, bombarded ako with news. Hindi lang naman tong hearing na to meron pa, I mean, alam ko lahat ng nangyayari. So, masakit sa ulo, isipin kung may mangyayari pa ba. Pero syempre, hopeful pa rin ako. Pero medyo cynical na ng konti. Kasi parang kaliwat kanan kahit saang ahensya may corruption issue.
Yun nga, ito, like I mentioned, Bulacan pa lang to. We're not even talking about, and floodworks, flood
Floodworks
projects.
pa lang to. Wala pa yung multipurpose buildings, schools, cat's eye. Ano pa yung mga basketball courts,
Oh
right?
my God. It's actually, it makes me sick. Just thinking about it. And also, parang yung greed ng nakakaano eh.
Greed.
Nakakasakit na parang, okay, sige, kumurakot ka na, goods. May nakuha ka na 1 billion.
Tama na, awat na.
How much
When
do
are you
you need?
gonna stop?
And now, it's gotten to the point na sa sobrang dami mong pera, they can't even deposit it to a proper bank. Kasi they will be called out.
Yeah.
So now, ano yung next? Para malinis yung pera. I-casino natin. Ilaro
Money
natin.
laundering natin.
Ilaro natin.
Yun ang sinasabi.
Kasi no bank will take that amount of money anymore.
Yeah.
Kaya cash ang bigayan para walang transaction details, walang paper trail. Kaya laging lahat sila tinatawagan lang po ako. Wala po kaming Viber. Disappearing messages.
Oo, kahapon ko nga lang nalaman kung paano ba? How does it work?
Si Esa, ganun na ganun.
Sorry sorry tita ko
Pabulong sa akin. Alam mo ba tong may disappearing messages?
See,
yung
exactly.
Viber?
How does it work?
Yun na nga.
Hindi naman sa
Hindi ko rin
wala kaming
alam.
tiwala sa
Hindi
inyo.
ko rin alam. Hindi.
Pero how does disappearing messages work?
Um,
Paano ba yun? In one day mo mabubura yung message nyo? Paano siya? Or may days lang pipili ka? Paano eksena niya?
buksan natin yan. Para makita natin.
Sorry, pero di namin alam. Mag-comment kayo. Kasi kasama yan sa mga nabanggit kahapon ni Bryce or nung isa si JP yata na may disappearing messages and all that.
Alam ko kasi, yan.
Sige.
Pwede ka
may option dyan.
May option to for ano eh. Hello.
Pag naka-on yung disappearing messages, hindi ba yun sa Instagram?
Ay, ito pala. Nasa options lang.
Okay.
Pag ng plus, disappearing messages. And you can choose disappear in 10 seconds, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day. So 10 seconds.
Sige, 10 seconds.
Mag-hello ako sa'yo. Hello.
Okay.
Pag nabasa mo, within 10 pero hindi magdi-disappear ngayon yan. Ngayon, pag nag-blue yan, in 10 seconds, kailangan talaga mabasa mo tapos.
Ayan, nabasa ko. Next
ayun,
messages
timer,
nakalagay sa akin, next messages will disappear
ngayon,
after 10 seconds.
pag screening cap ko or screening cap mo,
Wow! Na lumalabas sa akin na nagsiscreenshot si Sam. Kung nagpapanggap pa tong hindi alam yung disappearing messages. Oy, oo nga!
Kaya, yung ginawa nung guy, kasi alam din nila screenshot to, gago to pa to screenshot. So, kuha ka ng isa pang phone para i-screenshot.
Wow! Ganun pala siya. The magic of technology, guys.
Well, I'm glad may nakuha ang screenshot kahit nagka-disappearing messages.
Yeah, ang problema nga dyan, kasi syempre, his word against the word nung other na inaakusahan nila. Kasi, andali namang, pwede namang ako, halimbawa, pwede kitang paratangan na niloloko mo si Esa. Pero ang kausap ko, sarili ko lang.
True.
Gets? I mean, like, yung proof nandun sa nag-aakusa. So, we need more evidence.
But how? Kasi I'm sure these people are also
Pero like the Ghost Projects itself is proof na talagang may ginawang kalokohan.
Correct.
Yung pagpasok nila sa casino and then yung trail kung magkano yung napatalo nila na umabot ng 950 million pesos, ebidensya na yun. Meron ng pwedeng ikaso sa kanila.
And for those wondering bakit pa kailangan ng alias or another name to get into the casinos, they're government employees.
Bawal lang lahat. Kahit kapitan ka, mayor, vice mayor, bawal lahat ng government officials sa casino.
So that in itself, kaya they had to use fake names, different names.
Another question, Papi. Kasi ngayon, sobrang ingay ng mga tao sa social media. Mas madami na ngayon yung mga nagsasalita. Ako pa nga minsan nagsasabi kay Papi na, uy, kalmahan mo lang.
Correct. Right.
Oo, kasi nakikita ko rin yung mga post niya, nararamdaman ko rin yung gigil mo. Pero, is it enough? Yung yung pag-voice out natin sa social media of how we feel, enough na ba yun? Or should we be like the other countries na nagkakaroon na talaga ng mga kilos protesta outside? They're on the streets. I mean,
I was thinking
enough
about
na ba
that.
yung social media?
I've been thinking about that for the past day or two. Na, what's next? What is gonna happen with all of this? People are getting angry. People are getting tired. People are fed up. Do you think, EDSA na naman?
Pang ilan EDSA 3?
Oo.
Tama ba? Kasi nag-EDSA 2 na.
Oo.
But I heard parang may niluluto ngayong September. Parang this weekend nga daw yun. But hindi ako 100% sure. Pero oras na nga ba? Para talagang, may chance. May chance.
I hope it doesn't resort to violence.
Yeah.
I hope also our leaders will probably have some honor system na, okay, let me, step down for a while and you guys sort it out kung talagang damay ako dyan, or let me prove myself or prove that I'm innocent before it gets to that point. Nasa kamay na yan siguro ng government officials natin kung how the next few days will pan out. Feeling ko. Kasi nandiyan na yung galit eh. So ngayon, there's unrest. People are angry, but what are they gonna do about it? Kung galit na yung mga tao mo, hindi sila masaya kung paano mo pinapalakad yung bansa, ano ang gagawin mo?
Tsaka ano rin gagawin natin? Because the real power, nasa tao.
in an
tayo naman
ideal
yun eh.
world.
Kaya nga siya tinatawag na people power kasi dapat nasa atin yung power, right?
Democratic country
Pero
tayo.
it's not happening now. I do hope it happens soon. Hindi lang...
Ikaw, what's your
Hindi lang-
where do you think this is all gonna lead to?
I think okay yung ginagawa natin on social media that we're speaking all of our ill feelings towards whatever it is that is happening now. Pero kung enough, I don't think it's enough.
Ako rin eh.
Kasi parang siguro sa utak
Ang dali
ng
naman
mga...
talaga, honestly, it's easy to come up with a post.
And hindi ko rin naman masisi yung iba na parang wala ring energy to go out, sumali sa protesta. Kasi yung iba, they're trying to make ends meet, di ba? So parang nagtatrabaho every single day. Wala silang oras to join the protest. Pagod
Malamang,
sila eh.
stuck sila sa traffic. Pagod
Pero
ka pa sa traffic.
ako, halimbawa, if there's someone that will organize it, na anti-corruption protest or whatever it is, na dapat talaga, halimbawa, kung nandito tayo sa Metro Manila, may mag-organize niyan, pupunta ako kasi ako pusit ako eh. I will find time to go there and to be with those people because those are my people. Kasama nila ako dun sa laban sa corruption. Hindi na to issue ng tagasan ka, anong kulay mo, pula, pink ka ba, dilaw ka ba, puti, itim, whatever, kung anumang kampon kayo. Pero ang issue dito is tayong lahat yung ginagago. So I think it's high time na dapat magkaisa tayo. And social media for me is not enough.
I don't think it's also
It's
enough.
not enough, pero may ano pa rin, may tulong
Of course,
pa rin.
there's impact.
Diba?
There's awareness. I'm happy all these things are coming out on social media kasi now we're aware.
Yeah.
Kung wala pang social media dati, it might have been easier for these guys to still do what they're doing.
And this Nepo babies, right?
Yeah, but
I know.
now I'm actually happy that siguro ito yung perk or plus points ng social media.
Agree.
Now we're getting to see all these things
People
happen.
are talking about it non-stop every single
Oh,
day.
yung feed ko, grabe. It's all, dati puro mga ano pa.
Showbiz, no?
Oo, ngayon
parang wala masyadong interest tao sa showbiz. Everyone nakatutok dito sa hearing na to. Kasi nga, parang lahat tayo waiting. Anong ending?
And ito lang sa akin, before we wrap this up, sana nga, hindi lang to puro hearing. If there's one thing I'm tired of also, is ilang issue na dumaan. Senate hearing, Blue Ribbon Committee.
Alice go.
Exactly. You know,
Alam mo yun.
this thing comes, that thing comes. And then what? And then after all the drama, after all the hearings, after all these names are brought about, kaya nga what's next after that? Ito na naman ba tayo? Puro, we're just, addicted to the drama, addicted to the whole, eto, nadamay si ganito, nilaglag si ganito.
Or na-happy tayo na naglalaglagan sila.
Correct.
Yeah.
Sige, that's already...
Nakakaaliw sila panoorin yung mga kakakingkoyan nila dun sa hearing, di ba?
That's one step, but we should demand for we should have an end goal with this. Hindi yung hearing na naman, drama na naman, tapos wala. Normal, back to normal, next issue, next week another issue. That's what I'm praying na hindi maulit. Kasi it's been like that.
Yeah, yung parang may issue na maputok ngayon, may lalabas na bagong issue, makakalimutan. Nakita mo, asan yung sabongero? Yung missing sabongeros, ano nangyari?
Mismo.
Right? Ang
Alice
dami.
Go, ano
So
nangyari?
ayoko dumating yung time na may bagong mas maingay dito. Makakalimutan natin tong flood control project issue.
I hope that goes for everyone. No, if you're listening to this podcast, somebody has to be accountable for things that are happening, and we have to fight for that for a resolution.
Yeah.
No, not just enjoy all the dramatic shit that's happening through these hearings. We have to demand that somebody has to pay for what has been done.
Yeah.
Somebody has to go to jail for what has been done. And dapat mangyari hindi express. Dapat pabilisin yung pag-serve ng justice. Hindi yung 10 years, ito pa rin, 5
Kasi
years
nga due
ago.
process, yun lagi sinasabi. Everyone deserves due process.
Yeah, but prioritize it. Make this a priority so that we know that something is happening, that you guys are doing your jobs.
Mukhang matagal-tagal pa tayo doon. Siguro ngayon,
Yun ang problema lagi.
yun
Parang,
na nga eh.
matagal pa to.
Pero
Matagal pa to.
totoo, matagal
Kasi
talaga.
alam natin, after nito, ano pa yan, pahinga.
hanggang sa tumanda na lang yung mga sangkot dito.
Si Napoles, kailan lang na diba?
Yeah. I
Ilan
know.
taon na yun?
Ilang years ang inabot noon. Kasi nga, ang bagal ng justice system dito sa Pilipinas. Pero mabilis para sa mga walang pera. Yung sad story that I posted last time, yung nanay na may 4 na anak, nagnakaw ng worth 1,400 pesos na lotion, 4 na piraso, kulong agad. Pero ito, ang pinag-uusapan natin, bilyon, hindi pa nakakulong.
Hindi magalaw.
hindi pa nakakulong.
Sila pa hindi magalaw.
Hindi pwedeng rekta kulong din sila kasi kaya mag-bail
The law,
right?
the law cannot protect the corrupt. It doesn't work that way.
Well, siguro para hindi mag-subside yung issue, I think for everyone, especially for those who has a platform, this is the time to speak up.
Correct.
Hindi ito yung oras para maging neutral ka or maging apolitical ka. This is the time to speak up. Use your platform. Kaya may followers ka o wala, marami man o hindi, nagsisimula ka pa lang o hindi, may kinalaman ka sa news o wala, this is the time for you to speak up.
Use your platform for
para
something
hindi mamatay
good.
yung issue. I mean...
And they'd be pressed also na, okay, people are waiting on something.
Yeah.
Hindi to puro, alam mo yun, drama-drama. We're waiting for results here.
Yeah. And let's just all hope na yung end goal maganda.
Correct.
For
And
everyone.
hindi violent. I just hope it doesn't get violent.
Yes.
But
We also don't want that to happen. Yung nangyari sa Nepal or sa Thailand. Ayaw natin ng ganon. Pero, yun nga kailangan muna natin ng unity. And ako siguro, hindi naman natin sure kung mapapakinggan ni President Bongbong Marcos Jr. to, pero malay mo, on his free time, nakikinig pala siya sa atin.
You never know.
Oh, yeah, PBBM. Ako siguro, ito yung magandang legacy na iiwan mo bago ka umalis sa 2028. This is a good legacy.
Well said.
Pakulong mo lahat ng sangkot dito. This is it.
Amen.
Wag tayong maghiring-hiring lang, wag tayong puro pa-PR, papogi lang. May managot dapat. Mayroong ka dapat maipakulong. At dapat ang maipakulong, President, hindi yung mga small fish
The big fish.
Big fishes. Hindi lang big fish yan, big fishes.
Alam mo naman, mga bagman lang yan, mga pon lang yan. I'm gonna leave it at that because you already said also what's on my mind. And that could be actually his legacy.
Diba?
Galing,
Right?
galing.
That's a good legacy.
That's gonna be gold, actually.
Right? Hindi ka namin makakalimutan, malalagay sa history books yun. Bongbong Marcos pinakulong.
Cleaned
ang mga ito.
Cleaned up the
Nalinis
Philippines.
ang DPWH agency sa panahon ni Bongbong Marcos. Ngayon ang tanong, mangyayari ba?
We're gonna find out. But thank you for joining us on the podcast. Feel free to comment. Thank you to everybody who's been commenting on our YouTube account, on our Spotify account. Binabasa namin lahat ng mga DM nyo. Click the follow button also so you're also updated with all our latest episodes on Lecheng Pag-ibig To. My name is Sam YG.
And this is Jaja.
Be vigilant, be good, be safe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.